whoa, this sucker is not heavy at all. And it has a taxi-safe seatbelt path. Hi friend, Emily here with Experienced Mommy, and today I am reviewing the Baby Jogger CityGo Air Infant Car Seat. Special thanks to Baby Jogger who provided us this car seat to do a product review, and now we have been blessed to donate this car seat to an organization that helps moms in need who can't necessarily afford baby gear. Also, if you find this review helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up down below and hit that subscribe button to make sure you get all the alerts and notifications on upcoming reviews. This car seat was easy to install. The rapid lock base with the tensioning technology that ensures a secure installation with the vehicle seatbelt or the latch. The audible latch always puts your mind at ease when you can hear, okay, it's click, it's secure, great. This car seat can be used with or without the base, which is really great if you're going from vehicle to vehicle, and it has a taxi-safe seatbelt path on the back of the car seat. So you can ensure that your baby is secure even if you're going from an Uber or a taxi or your friend's vehicle. Really great for city go or just parents who are definitely on the go a lot. There are 2 bubble indicators to make sure that the installation is balanced and secure. This is a 4-position recline base to make sure that the installation is correct and your baby is at the right recline. Pull the lever, adjust 1, 2, 3, and then all the way back down is 4. The car seat has an anti-rebound bar, which reduces the rearward movement and, heaven forbid, a frontal collision. That is just brilliant engineering. Simple to take on and off of the base. It's that click connect, the lever, and you lift up. Simple to take off and to put on. The harness adjustment button is under the harness adjustment strap. So when it's all together, you'd have to kind of stick your finger in there kind of far to adjust the straps. It's not very easily visible, but it is easy to push and adjust the straps. This is a 5-point harness system, and it does have to be re-threaded by taking the car seat off of the base or out of the car and then re-threading it through the back. The handle itself is really sturdy. I was pleasantly surprised by the grip. The car seat has a 2-button reposition for the handle. I really like the new car seats with just 1-hand adjustment. If you are a parent already or an expecting parent, you know that having 2 hands is very rare. So being able to do anything one-handed is a win. And so again, a little bit of an inconvenience, but not a deal breaker. It has a flex shade canopy. It is easy to hook. You just grab it and hook it. I'm kind of seeing that when you thread your arm through, that hook comes off almost every single time. That would get really hard having to hold it with another arm and hook it back up. When you put the handle down, it doesn't always stay clipped. This is just a piece of thread. It doesn't seem very sturdy. So unless the canopy is hooked to the handle, the canopy does not have any structure on its own. It just falls back immediately. The canopy on this car seat is only attached by Velcro. When I was adjusting the handle, it got caught on the Velcro, and so I foresaw maybe having to be sewn back on. The mesh drape that comes down from the canopy to completely cover the baby is fantastic and a brilliant design. Pulling this under panel down, then you can get the rest of the drape for coverage. Comes all the way down over baby. And there are 2 panels on the left and right side, so you can actually completely see your baby. There are holes. Also, it comes with a UV 50 plus protection. Even a little helpful with sleeping or people touching your baby. It's great. The mesh drape is stored a little bit further up into the canopy can be kind of wadded up and then tucked away. The fabric and the material seemed pretty luxurious and good, high quality. I really like that this has padding in the back and on the bottom part of the car seat, but also behind the buckle. Sometimes pants can get caught when you clip in the child, so having just that added little cushion behind the plastic is a nice feature. There is a removable infant insert that is machine washable, and it seemed comfortable and cool. I like that they're separated instead of one big piece. So this comes off and then this comes off separate and able to come off really easily. I don't like that the padding goes through the seatbelt for the shoulder strap. There's no connection. It's just kind of a fold, and I found it to move up and down quite a bit. You just need to make sure that the fold of the fabric does not come into a different position, because that can be a safety hazard for your infant. On a lot of other car seats, you'll see that the warning labels are on the back of the padding, and that can retain heat, and it gets really hot when baby is put in the car seat initially. So I find that the location of these warning labels is really ideal. The padding in between the plastic and the fabric for baby is just this piece of styrofoam. So I guess I was expecting a little bit more than that. I found it to be very roomy, easy to hold, easy to manage. And this steel material was extremely lightweight. When I pulled it out of the box, I was like, whoa, this sucker is not heavy at all. It's like 8 pounds in itself, so you're not adding a lot of extra weight or bulk along with your infant inside. It's clear the overall design of this car seat had the parent who is on the go and needs that lightweight, easy to install car seat. If you are curious about the retail price, you can click the link below. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Mama out.